Ray Dalio's principles for doing great business. Ray Dalio, the legendary billionaire investor and founder of Bridgewater Associates, has built his success on a set of principles that have helped him thrive in the business world. These principles are based on a philosophy of radical transparency and open communication, which Dalio believes are essential for success in today's complex and fast-paced business environment. At the heart of Dalio's principles is the concept of radical transparency. This means being completely open and honest in all aspects of business, even when it may be uncomfortable or difficult. This approach encourages open communication, constructive criticism, and constant improvement. It enables teams to identify problems and find solutions more quickly, leading to better business outcomes and greater success. To implement this concept, Dalio recommends that businesses create a culture of honest feedback. This involves encouraging employees to share their thoughts and opinions openly and without fear of consequence. It also means creating a system for receiving and incorporating feedback, so that employees feel valued and heard. For example, at Bridgewater Associates, Dalio implemented a system of radical transparency called dot collecting. During meetings, each employee is given a sheet of paper with dots to represent their opinions on a particular subject. This allows everyone to share their thoughts anonymously and without fear of retribution. It also ensures that no one voice dominates the discussion, leading to better decision-making and more balanced outcomes. Another key concept in Dalio's principles is the idea of meritocracy. This means that decisions are made based on the best ideas, not on seniority or status. It encourages employees to speak up and share their ideas, knowing that they will be evaluated based on their merit, rather than their position in the company. To create a meritocratic culture, Dalio recommends that businesses establish clear and objective criteria for evaluating performance. This helps to eliminate bias and ensure that decisions are made based on measurable outcomes, rather than personal preferences or politics. For example, at Bridgewater Associates, employees are evaluated on a set of specific criteria, including their ability to come up with creative solutions, their willingness to challenge the status quo, and their ability to mentor and develop others. By having these criteria in place, the company can ensure that decisions are made based on objective measures of success, rather than subjective opinions. Overall, Dalio's principles are designed to create a culture of openness, honesty, and continuous improvement. They encourage employees to speak up, share their ideas, and work together to achieve common goals. By implementing these principles in the workplace, businesses can create a more productive, collaborative, and successful environment where everyone feels valued and engaged. I believe Ray Dalio to be a very wise man. What do you believe? Please comment below. Thank you for visiting Free Market Economy.